Oh look, it's broken. Not a problem, I'll get that fixed. Hey guys, my name is James and today I'm going to do a review on the NEEWER lights. I've had these lights from April of 2020, so I've been using these lights for about 9 months now. And they're pretty good lights. A piece of the plastic that holds the head of the light to the pole actually broke, and I did fix that using the 3D printers, which I'm going to show you. These lights do come in pairs, but I think you can get them in different packages like singles and triples, so go ahead and check the packages. I purchased the one that came in a pair. The lights come with these 31-inch tripod, which do extend out. So the typical size per extension is going to be 31, 52, and 74. I'll put the actual sizes on the screen. And so anywhere in between 74 and 31 inches is the height of this tripod. It's sturdy enough that I've been using it for a while, although the plastic pieces seem a little bit like cheap, but these are typical, you know. The only thing that I don't like was this knob right here. I wish they used a quick release tab instead of these knobs that you turn, but that's just like a personal preference. Other than that, they're regular tripods. They do come with an AC adapter with 120 to 240 volts input with a 50 to 60 hertz cycle and an output voltage of... I'm not going to take those out and show them to you because they are lighting this room right now. The length of the wires for the power brick is not that long. It's just adequate enough to find a outlet plug. They're dimmable and they have a color temperature change from 32K to 56K. That's a color scale from orange to white. These lights have a CRI, or Color Rendering Index, rating of 85 to 90. If you're looking for something that has a higher rating, there is another model available, the NEEWER 660s, which has a CRI rating of 96. It's a little bit more pricey, but I'll also leave a link for those 660s in the description below. These lights are 48 watts and they are dimmable. The switch feels pretty good. The top is AC, middle is off, and the bottom is battery. Let me unplug the power adapter and install the batteries. Remember, the batteries are not included. They need to be installed in a set of 2. These are the lithium-ion 6600 milliamp batteries. This is a smaller 2600 milliamp battery. You can use a smaller battery and a larger battery in combination. Now these are small ventilation holes. There is a fan inside that cools the unit. The fan is not that loud, it's pretty quiet. They come with a softbox and they're 20 by 28 inches. Here you can take a look at the color ranges. It's from orange to white. It comes with like a cloth diffuser. I think it could be better, but it is, after all, a budget lighting system. I'll play with the lights again so you can get a better look. These LEDs come in pairs, one for the color orange and one for the white. I counted a total of 84 pairs for a total of 168 LEDs. I'm using the soldering iron to heat up the metal nut and place it into the plastic. I was a little slow on the release and melted some of the plastic on the side. I'm using the original threaded nut that came with the lights. A perfect fit. The only thing that did break in the 9 months that I've been using it is that little headpiece, which I was able to fix and repair using my 3D printer. If you need that piece and you have a 3D printer of your own, I'll leave a link to the STL file in the description below. So these are very budget-friendly lighting systems. I hope you enjoyed this review. Please leave a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Let me know in the comments if you have used these lights before and what do you think of them. Thanks. I know I said I wasn't going to show the power brick, but here it is. It's a model JH1540. This is a, wait a minute. It says here that the output is a DC 15 volts and 4 amps. So what I said previously was wrong. I guess I have to edit it. On the website it said it was 24 volts, but on the brick itself it says it's 15 volts, 4 amps. Also, I thought it was going to be important to show the length of the wires, and that's why I took it out. I have the lights on battery right now. And let me just go and measure this and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So the length of the wires is about 11 foot 8 inches. Also, I should mention that this was really for indoor use, so I didn't really take it out very much. I think the reason why that top piece broke was because I used the Amazon Basics tripod instead of the original tripod. I think that the length of the neck is a little bit longer where the knob actually hits the pole, and I think that's why it might have broke. But I have two versions, one for a longer neck